Hi there and welcome. Today we're exploring the Tomiex Waxing Kit for flawless hair removal at home. This all-in-one kit includes hard wax beads, various wax sticks, pre- and after-wax sprays, a large flexible silicone bowl, and a professional guide for easy use. The large silicone bowl prevents messes by allowing wax to come off smoothly without drips or spills. Adjustable temperature settings on the wax warmer provide precise control for both beginners and pros, ensuring comfortable waxing every time. High-quality wax beads offer a luxurious, smooth waxing experience perfect for sensitive skin and multiple body areas like face, bikini, and Brazilian. Plus, the kit covers you with a 5-year warranty, reflecting its durability and quality. Enjoy professional-level waxing, results in the comfort of your home with Tomiex. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.